Hi, today in front of you VIVO X90 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first launch the Play Store application, and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. Here you'll see information about your battery temperature. In my case, that's 33. Also, you get here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.